Hey everyone, I'm Jilly with One Good Thing by Jilly, and today I have another good thing to share with you, and that is how to clean your makeup brushes. How many of you clean your makeup brushes regularly? Well, a survey that was taken found that 39% of women only wash them like once a month, and 22% don't wash them at all. That's not good. We need to keep our brushes clean. I don't do it, all the time, like every day, but every 2 weeks, you really need to be cleaning your brushes. And today I'm going to show you a very simple and effective method to do it. You can use a gentle cleanser like Cetaphil or baby shampoo to clean your brushes, but it won't work as well. I am a big believer in Dawn dishwashing liquid. It is my go-to product for cutting through grease, and it works better than anything else. And it's gentle on your brushes too. So you could use something, a makeup brush cleaner that you've bought, but this is really going to help you if you need a deep clean of your brushes, which I always do every couple of weeks. So it'll also kill bacteria too, so that's a good thing too. We don't want that on our faces. You use cold to cool water because this metal part, I think it's called the ferrule, inside is where the brushes attach to the brush, and there's adhesives in there, and so if you use hot water you might risk breaking down those adhesives. So cool to cold water is fine. The dish soap will really help to cut through the grease, so you don't need really hot water. And then the secret tool is this silicone trivet. You can get these at the grocery store, at the dollar store, on Amazon. They cost a couple of bucks, and they do a great job of cleaning your brushes, as I'm going to show you in just a second. And they're so easy to find. Great. If you don't have one of these, I mean, this is optional, but you could use like a small plate and do the same thing. It just might take longer to get all of the dirt out of your brushes, or out of all of the makeup out. And one last warning is you don't want to soak your brushes, because the adhesives that are in the ferrule, this metal part right here, can break down, and that's the worst thing you can do for your really nice brushes, is to soak them, because that will do damage to the wood and to this metal part right here. So don't soak. But let me show you how easy it is. Pretty easy, right? Nifty way to get your brushes really, really clean. When you have washed them and rinsed them and kind of shake off as much as you can, I like to take a paper towel and just kind of get as much of the moisture out as I can on that. And then I will just kind of shape them to the shape I use them in, and then just hang them on the edge of the sink like this. You don't want to set them up in a glass or anything like this, because once again that moisture is going to go down into the bristles and the adhesives and the metal, and it's going to wreak havoc on your brushes. So just let them hang over the sink like this and dry for several hours or overnight, and you'll have fresh, clean makeup brushes to put your makeup on, and you will look beautiful. One quick thing about beauty blenders. These are popular too for putting on, especially for putting on and blending your foundation, and they're very easy to wash too. All you have to do is get a jar with a lid, put 1 cup of hot water in it, and then about I have a tablespoon here, but I'm going to just eyeball it. It's about a tablespoon of Dawn and about a tablespoon of white vinegar, and then all you're going to do is plop your beauty blenders down in there, get them soaked, get some water in them, and then you're going to just let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. What I like to do is shake it up first and then let them soak. So shake it up, let them soak for 15 to 20 minutes, let that Dawn have time to get in there and break up the oils and the product that's on your blenders. Then after 15 to 20 minutes, you just fill it in, make sure it's tight, and give it a vigorous shake for about a minute. I don't normally use these blenders, but I tried them on my daughters and it works so well. They were brand new, spanking clean once we got them out of here. And then you'll just run them under water until they run clear of the soap and lay them again on a dry towel overnight, and you will have clean beauty blenders too. Now, how often should you be washing these? For brushes, I maintain every 2 weeks. Some people might do it more. For concealer or foundation brushes, even every week is not too much because they get a lot more product on them. For beauty blenders, the experts say you should probably wash them after each use because you're using them, you're dampening them when you use them, and that's just asking for trouble. That's a breeding ground for bacteria. So after each use, you should at least rinse off your beauty blenders and let them dry out. And finally, storing them. It's best to keep your makeup brushes covered on your vanity or wherever you are to avoid dust and dirt collecting on them. My art production manager, Brittany, found this very cool little makeup case that you can set up like this and keep your brushes in. This is great for travel. And then when you're not using them, you can just fold it up and zip it up. And they'll keep covered like this. If you want something just to keep on your vanity, a little box like this that you can find on Amazon with a lid is a perfect solution for that too. Just want to keep your brushes as clean and fresh and hygienic as you can, so you will look as beautiful as you can. So there you go, simple and effective way to clean your brushes and your beauty blenders. Now go get them and wash them. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Have a good day.